keeping our focus on Operation Sindoor, getting in breaking inputs. In fact, we are learning that Prime Minister Modi is all set to meet the delegations, the multi-party delegations who went to various countries as part of Operation Sindoor. And the meeting, what we are learning, is going to happen most likely tomorrow evening or even day after tomorrow morning. This is the breaking input that we are bringing to you. Remember, there were 7 multi-party delegations which visited various countries, and that included over 50 politicians, many of them also former diplomats. Payal Mehta joins me with more inputs. Payal, take us through what can we expect out of this meeting? What is the agenda behind this meeting?
To begin with, more than 55 leaders embarked on these 7 delegation visits that visited multiple countries, given the fact that they wanted to take home the message that Operation Sindoor was necessary for India to respond to Pakistan. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is likely to meet the delegation members either tomorrow evening or day after tomorrow in the morning, is what we are given to understand. In fact, the government officials have called up the various members and checked with them for their availability, because remember, after coming back from various delegations, multiple people would have gone back to their home state or gone back on multiple committee tours that are taking place. So based on the availability of most of the people, the meeting is going to take place as well. It is going to be Prime Minister's Thanksgiving meeting, where of course he will want to thank and congratulate each and every member who went there to represent brand India, irrespective of whichever party they came from, irrespective of which side of the spectrum that they came from, and probably understand from them what their experiences have been. So far, 5 of these delegations, Akanksha, have already met Mr. Jaishankar, the External Affairs Minister, and given them what their feedback really have been. Some of them have even submitted their detailed report to them as well, but that's something which is going to be very, very formally taken up by the External Affairs Minister. But with the Prime Minister, it's going to be more of a normal chat, especially for younger MPs who were part of the delegation, probably first-time MPs who were part of this delegation, and to understand from him or her what their experience really has been on travelling to these countries. What is the message that they brought back home? It's not just fight on terrorism, but multiple countries. Akanksha also wanted to discuss with India about investment, about trade, etc. as well.
Many thanks to you, Payal, for bringing us that news story. And with that, let's